Got some more layer feed today. So I got some in here and in there. This is what I always get. I also get the crumbles sometimes. But the guinea birds and the chickens and the duckies, where'd the duckies go? Oh, there they are. I spooked them a little while ago because I came barging in here with this straw bale that I picked up when I bought the crumbles, and using the straw bale in here, I've been doing some cleaning, and I fixed up their little spots where they lay their eggs, and I think I may have figured something out. See, I had been putting, like whenever I mow the yard, I'd take the bagger off the lawnmower because it would blow all the grass and weeds that I'd cut in the yard into the bagger. Then I'd take that and I'd bring it in here and I'd put it in here, and the darn chickens would eat it and it'd all be gone. And they would end up with an area like this, not quite this bad. Those are guinea eggs. I moved them all up here whenever I did this, but I came out here and a chicken was standing in one of these, and it just had bare wood underneath it. And that chicken was standing up on her tippy toes and plopped out an egg, and that egg went and popped right down on that wood. It didn't crack, but I figure a lot of them probably have. So I went ahead and fixed them up a nice little spot here where they'll be comfortable, and they'll have their a nice little place to, let their eggs plop down and not get hurt. Nice and cushiony up in there. And I got to clean this one out later. We got to figure out which one of these guinea eggs are. Well, I think we ought to just leave them out here. The guineas like to sit on them. But there's one chicken back there. Look at that. See that chicken back there? We got a chicken hiding in there, laying an egg back there. Look at it, she's peeking out at me. A chickie. Chickie hiding behind the curtain. But yeah, so I've done a little bit of that today. I still got to come in and do some major cleaning, because all this down here, I gotta get these pallets out and shovel all this stuff out, and I'm gonna store it away to put in the gardens. A lot of this is probably just already composted chicken manure. Been sitting in here forever, but I'll get it all collected. Got some sitting on the edges up in there, so I'm not going to finish this up today, but whenever I do, I'll certainly make a video. Alright, I gotta get out of here so the chickens can come in and discover their new little nesting spots. Well, old nesting spots with some new straw. It's not hay, it's straw. Hopefully they won't eat it.